Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we are going to make the quickest, cutest can cover. 2 steps in the machine, takes about 2 minutes to make, including cutting. So this is what we're going to make. Just little, they're so quick and easy. Just little can covers. So let's get started. The first step in the machine is a placement step, so I'm going to go ahead and run that now. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so there's the placement step. Now you just want to take your vinyl or your neoprene and right sides together, bam, and lay it over the entire placement line and run that last step. My pieces here, we're going to do the regular can size. So I have mine cut at 5 by 6. All done. That's what it's stitched out like. So, and there's the back. So before you take your stabilizer and tear it away, you want to leave it in for reference because you're going to cut these little notches out, and if you remove your tear away, there's nothing stitched onto that fabric, so you don't know where you need to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut around, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, see, I cut around the notches. I didn't do a very good job, but I still cut it. And now you just take and turn inside out. And voila, you have a cute, simple can cover for your barbecues, if you want to keep everybody's drinks separate, birthday parties. I'll be making more of these with some wording and some fun designs on them, but I haven't done them yet, just been a little busy. But your can should fit right in there. I do have in these files, the slim can option is in there too. So those longer cans, I have a file in the designs, so you can have your choice, a regular can or a slim can. So cute. Anyways, quick and easy.